ready to go out? You go outside? Well, he's coming. It's kind of slippery. What can we do? You're standing in it. Have to hold on to you. Don't get too excited here. Okay, walk over here. What do you think?
No, I know.
Let's get over here. Turn around and say hello to Griffin. Turn around. What are you going to say?
I'm on snow.
I'm in the snow.
Snow.
What should we do now?
Church.
Go ahead, touch it. Whoa! Is it getting on you?
Mountain.
It's a mountain? Hey Emma, what about this? Look at that. Whoa. Hey Papa, don't kick me. Throw some snow at Griffin. Did you get yourself? Oops.
That's funny game.
Ah!
No, I want.
Hey, what are you doing? Don't throw it at me, throw it at Griffin.
Ah!
We'll keep moving. Let's move down here. More snow.
Hey!
Emma! Hey, you!
I want.
Hey, you nut. Now she's getting the hang of it. No one's safe.
Hey!
Ow!
Hey, Emma. Here. Throw that at Griffin.
Hey, Emma.
I can't get you.
I want.
You want a snowball?
Yeah.
Oh, well, don't smash it. You're a great example, Griffin. Hey, hold on. It's slippery. Hold on. Yeah, throw it at Griffin.
Hey! Don't throw the snow at me. Hey, Emma, look. Emma, look.
Don't throw that at me.
Hey, Emma, look.
Whoa! Get Griffin. You're just getting yourself, you silly goose. Here, let me get it off your face. Okay, go like this. Not me. Yeah, not a whole lot there. That's a little bitty bush. Alrighty. Let's turn around. We'll go back this way.
No.
Yeah, let's go back this way. Find some more. Here, let's get your... Here, shake it off. Shake it off.
No.
Nope, we're going this way. Okay, go like this. Let's walk. Stomp your feet. Get over here. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Okay. You gonna tell Griffin goodbye?
Bye.
Say thank you for coming. Slow down, girl. No, honey, in the snow. Okay, hey, Emma, stop. Turn around. Wave at Griffin. Say, I love snow.
I love snow. What's this?
Ooh.